that lacks the enzymes used to detoxify it. So oxygen is absolutely toxic to this organism. In the presence of oxygen, it dies immediately. Can you think of something that I can pour into a wound that will increase the amount of oxygen?
Hydrogen peroxide.
Tell me, what is the chemical formula for water?
H2O.
What's the chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide? What is it? H2O2.
H2O2, right?
So what has more oxygen, water or hydrogen peroxide? Hydrogen peroxide. How many of you have ever heard that we could use hydrogen peroxide to help kill bacterium? Now you know why. Will it kill all of the bacterium? No. Will it kill these? No. Or these? Or these? No. It's because I'm going to teach you in this class that there are some organisms that are obligate anaerobes, and hydrogen peroxide is perfect for killing them. Next, do you agree that we've got anaerobes, and they grow best in the absence of oxygen, but guess what? With a little bit of oxygen in the environment, they can still survive. All right, so we've got aerobes and obligate aerobes, anaerobes and obligate anaerobes. Now we've got something right in the middle. Now I know what you're thinking. Couldn't we call this a facultative aerobe or a facultative anaerobe? Well, this is the term that you find in your textbook, and this is the term that's used typically. A facultative organism is one that can utilize oxygen, it can detoxify oxygen, but it can also grow in the absence of oxygen as well. So this is an organism that can live at, I'm not going to say at these two extremes. Well, believe it or not, facultative organisms don't do really well here, and they don't do really well here, except for short periods of time. But in fact, the word facultative means the ability to be able to adapt, to be able to live under a wide variety of circumstances. Does that make sense? So we've got obligate anaerobes, obligate aerobes, and facultative